Hello, this is Gabriel Dunn. Today's date is May 8th, 2018. In this week's video lab, I will demonstrate how to digitally label photos in order to insert them into the lab report assignment. On my computer, I use the Windows operating system, Microsoft PowerPoint, and the built-in photo editor to crop the photos. Someone else might be using Mac instead, but you can get the same results if you use Google apps like Google Slides and Google Docs, or if you just use the built-in applications that come with Mac. The first thing I like to do is to save the picture that needs to be labeled onto my computer. In this case, it's located in the lab report. To do this, open up the document, right-click on the photo, and save it to the desired location. We'll just put it on the desktop. Here, I'll just delete it. We're going to replace this photo with our labeled and edited photo. Now I will go ahead and open this photo and crop it. If you notice, there's a bunch of extra background space here. And we'll save it. Now we'll go ahead and do the labeling. I have a PowerPoint template here that I've made. Here's some of my other labeling. But we'll go ahead and insert the photo here. I'll make this larger to match the other photos because they came out nicely. A little larger. All right. I primarily use the arrows and the text box to label my photos. So here we are to label the acidophil cell, basophil cell, and nucleus of the pituitary. The basophil cell is stained blue, the dark ones here. And we make sure that we label it on the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. That's going to be this. Oh, we'll just point to that. Cells there. The acidophil cell stained red. Finally, the pituitary. It's going to be located in the posterior lobe. The posterior lobe. It's going to be here. The nucleus. So we'll just go ahead and actually do that the opposite direction. Yeah. Now we add a text box. Depending on the picture, you have to make sure you choose a font that can be visible. I'm not sure my default of white will show up too well. Let's see. This is the pituitary. Make sure you choose a font that's large enough that can be read. 12 will do. And we repeat. This is too bunched up. I'm actually going to move this. Cetaphil. All right, and we'll just basically label that. Let me just go ahead and hurry up and do this, and then we will move on. Now, one thing to note is you're able to save this PowerPoint file so that if you need to change the labeling, if you made a mistake, you can come back and you can do that here. Next, I'm going to export this file as a JPEG or a picture file. Save as. Let's just do it onto the desktop for this demonstration. Pit plan label. And we'll change this to the file type, picture. That's JPEG. JPEG. Just this one. Okay. So here we have our labeled photo. One more time, we're going to go ahead and crop this because you see there's extra background space. I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick. I'm going to make it larger as well. And we'll just save that. Finally, we'll go ahead and insert that in our lab report. And there you have it. That concludes my video. Thank you so much for watching.